Number system and integers. Yes, number system and integer. Number system and integer problems are there. So now let us solve this one by one. हाँ where हाँ no. If maths book is over, then you can write in the same maths notebook. Make new one and write down in that. Now let us solve this. Solve it. You have to solve. Revision means you have to solve. I will give you the hint. Find the value of plus 5 plus minus 7. Good morning. Plus 4. Find the value of this. Find the value of plus 5. Yes. Write all the three. Yes, write all the notebook. Same in maths notebook you continue. Same maths notebook you have to continue. Find the value of. It is very much clear, right? Now write. Find the value of. Now write. Find the value of plus 5 plus minus 7 plus 4. Find the value of plus 5 plus bracket minus 7 plus 4. What is clear, right? Answer and marks you will get after first term end examination, which is going to be held in the October. After that examination, you are going to get one mark sheet. In mark sheet, that project marks, test marks, everything will be there. Yes. Right. First you write the question. Find the value of plus 5 plus minus 7 plus 4. Write all the question. Now let us solve one by one. Let us solve first. Find the value of plus 5. Using number line, you have to solve this. Using number line, you have to solve this. We have 0. Find the value of. First, we are doing first one. Find the value of. Find the value of. First one. So we have this side we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. And this side we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. We are doing first one. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and somewhere we have minus 7 on this number line. Minus 7. Let us solve this first. First it is plus 5. First it is clear, right? First it is plus 5. So what I will do for plus 5? For first it is plus 5. So what I will do for plus 5? I will start from 0 and move 5 steps to the right. I will start from 0. Whenever it is plus, you have to move to the right. So I will move 5 steps to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is plus 5. This is my plus 5. So first For plus 5, we move 5 steps to the right of 0. To the right of 0, we move 5 steps. To the right of 0, we move 5 steps. To the right of 0, we move 5 steps. Then we have plus minus 7. Minus 7 means, yes, what if, third question is minus 10 plus 82 plus 94 plus minus 40. Let us solve one by one. First we solve, find the value of plus 5 plus minus 7, plus 5 plus minus 7 plus 4. Yes, right. So now what I will do for minus 7? For plus 5, from 0 I will move 5 steps to the right. I will move 5 steps to the right. I will move 5 steps to the right. So this is my first step. For plus, right. For plus 5, we move 5 steps to the right of 0. Then for minus 7, what you will do? Minus 7. No, this is just I have explained. This you don't have to write. Only you have to draw this. Now for minus 7, what you will do? Yes, no problem, right. No problem, you can write. Now what you will do for minus 7? Yes, it is clear, right. What you will do for minus 7? For minus 7, yes, I will make 7 jump to the, I will make 7 jump to the left because it is minus 7. Are you getting? We will make 7 jump to the left. So, from plus 5, I will make 7 jump to the left because it is minus 7. So I will make 7 jump to the left. So this is my 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jump, 6 jump, 7 jump. This is my 7 jump. So when we make 7 jump, this is plus 5 and this is minus 7. We make 7 jump. Where we reach? Minus 2. Where we reach? Minus 2. Now, yes. Now we want to add 4. Plus 4 means? Now we want plus 4. So, plus 5, what we have done? From 0, we have moved 5 steps to the right of 0. We reach plus 5. Then for plus minus 7 means you have to jump to the left. So from plus 5, I have made 7 jump to the left. We reach minus 2. This is my second step. This is my second step. Second step, we reach minus 7. Second step, minus 7. We reach minus 2. Now we want to add plus 4. So plus 4 means I have to make 4 jump to the right. From minus 2, I have to make 4 jump to the right. So this is 1 jump, this is second jump, this is third jump, and this is fourth jump. So where we reach? We reach the point plus 2. We reach the point plus 2. We reach the point plus 2. Are you getting? We reach the point plus 2. So final answer is, so finally we write plus 5 plus minus 7 plus 4. Where we reach finally? For plus 5, from 0 we make 5 steps to the right. We reach plus 5. Then for plus minus 7, we have to make 7 jump to the left because it is minus. We reach minus 2. Then from minus 2 we want to add 4. So I have to make 4 jump to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach the point 2. So answer is 2 or plus 2. You can write plus 2 or 2. They are the Yes, no problem. It is plus 2 or 2. Both are correct answers. So this type of problem, to find the value you have to use number line system. You have to use number line system. If the number has plus sign, you have to move to the right or jump to the right. If the number has minus sign, you have to move to the left or jump to the left. So this you have to remember. Plus sign means jump or move to the right. Minus sign means jump or move to the left. So this was first question. Now let us solve the second question. Let us solve the second question. Let us solve the second question. Second question. No, I have to explain this part. No. Let us solve the second question. A. So, A minus 6. Minus 6, this bracket is modulus bracket. Minus 6 plus minus 4. This bracket is known as modulus bracket. This bracket is known as modulus bracket. This you remember. This is not your normal bracket. Normal bracket are square bracket, but this is vertical line. When the number is between two vertical lines, this vertical line bracket is known as modulus bracket. And what is the property of modulus bracket? Whether number is having plus sign, modulus. No. Whether number is having minus sign, modulus, M-O-D-U-L-U-S, modulus bracket. Now whether number is having plus sign or minus sign, the modulus bracket, if there is modulus bracket, the number we write always with plus sign. Whether number is having minus sign or plus sign, if it is written in the modulus bracket, the number we write always with plus sign when we remove the modulus bracket. So now we want to remove the modulus bracket. The number is minus 6. It is written in the modulus bracket. Whether number is having minus sign or plus sign, the modulus of minus, we are doing second one. Now, modulus bracket means whether number is having minus sign or plus sign, its number we always, when we remove the modulus bracket, minus 6 become plus 6. Minus 6 become plus 6. Then plus sign is already there. Then again modulus bracket is there. Mod of minus 4 will be plus 4. See here, minus 6 become plus 6. Minus 6 become plus 6. Yes. Mod of minus 6. No. Arrow I have written for your understanding. You don't have to put. Whether number. No. See here. If the number is having plus sign, that plus will remain plus. But if the number has minus sign, that minus we write plus. Plus will become plus. Minus sign will become plus. Is it clear? Plus will not become minus. This you remember. So mod of minus 6. It is modulus bracket. So minus 6 will become plus 6. Then plus sign is outside modulus bracket. We write as it is. Then again we have modulus bracket. Mod of minus 4 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is 10. 6 plus 4, the answer is 10. 6 plus 4, the answer is 10. Now let us take the B part. Modulus bracket, vertical line bracket is known as modulus bracket. B minus 8 minus 3. Now again I am dividing. See here. Now this is my modulus bracket. Vertical line means modulus bracket. Vertical line means modulus bracket. If in the inside modulus bracket number is having plus sign or minus sign, but when we remove the modulus bracket, plus sign number will become plus only, but minus sign number also become plus. Plus remain plus, but minus sign number also become plus. So now we remove the modulus bracket. Minus 8 will become 8. Then minus sign is already there outside. That outside sign we write as it is. Outside sign will do not change. Then again we have modulus bracket. So mod of minus 3 will become 3. Mod of minus 3 become 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Answer is 5. Okay. This only. Yes, now we solve third one. We solve third one. We have to solve third one. Now this is the revision from chapter numbers. Yes. Ask. 1 minute. Plus yes. Now let me give one more problem. Write C also. A, B, write C also. Let us clarify. This I am writing mod of 12 minus right, mod of minus 8. Let us write. Let us solve this C. Now there are two brackets. One is this modulus bracket, other is this modulus bracket. Now in 1 minute. Yes. Now there are two modulus bracket. One is mod of 12 minus minus 8. Yes. Now see here. What is sign of 12 plus? So when we remove the modulus sign, when we remove the modulus bracket, plus 12 remain 12 only. Plus 12 I will not write minus 12. Only negative number we write plus. Plus number we write plus only. No, because modulus is never negative. Then minus, this minus sign, outside minus sign we keep as it is. Again, mod of minus 8, again number is having minus sign, minus 8. So this will become plus 8. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Because inside bracket number is negative. So if the number is negative and if we remove the modulus bracket, number become positive. Minus 8 become plus 8. And plus remain plus. Plus remain plus, minus become plus. Plus remain plus, minus become plus in modulus bracket. Just remember. Plus become plus, minus become plus in modulus bracket. So plus 12 remain 12 only. Then minus sign outside sign we do not change. Minus we write minus. Mod of minus 8 become plus 8. So 12 minus 8 is, how 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 is the bigger number, no? 12 is bigger number. This is having then answer will be minus 4, because see here what you are telling. So suppose it is minus suppose it is minus 12 plus 8. Now see here, see the logic, see the rule of addition and subtraction. Whenever they have same sign, we have to add, opposite sign we have to subtract. So what is sign of 12? Minus. What is sign of 8? Plus. Minus and plus they are opposite sign. Minus and plus they are opposite sign. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now which number is bigger? 12. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 4. minus 12. हाँ, one by one if you ask the doubt. हाँ, now solve third one, C part. चलो, हाँ, yes, ask the doubt. Yes, other remain silent. हाँ, ask the doubt. हाँ, हाँ, see, now what you're telling me, see here, mod of minus 12 will be 12 only, and mod of 12 is also 12. So in nowhere it will be minus 12. Because we have minus 12 plus 8, see how it will come. Wait, let me give you one question. Let us solve D part also. Chalo. Let us make one more clarity. हाँ चलो, write D. हाँ wait, this is mod of minus 8 minus mod of write D, mod of minus 8 minus mod of minus 12. Now what is mod of minus 8? Whether number is having minus sign or plus sign, its modulus will be always with plus sign. 8, very good, 8. Then minus sign will remain minus only. Then what is mod of minus 12? 12. No, mod of minus 12 is 12. So finally it becomes 8 minus 12. Now what is sign of 8? What is sign of 8? No sign means plus sign. No sign means plus sign. No sign means plus sign. What is sign of 8? Plus. What is sign of 12? Minus. So they have opposite sign. Yes. Now they have opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, we subtract. We subtract. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now which number is bigger? 12. Which number is bigger? 12. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 4. Answer is minus 4. Right, plus 8. Yes, though, is it clear the doubt? Put that plus. Yes. Final answer 8 minus 12. Sign of 8 is plus. No sign means plus sign. No sign means plus sign. This remember. So plus 8 minus 12 will be minus 4. Now let us solve third one. Minus 10 plus 82 plus 94 plus No, not even. Third one. Now 12 minus 8 is 4 because 12 is bigger number. 12 is bigger number. What is sign of that? Plus. It is clear, right? 12 minus 8 is 4. Now let us solve third one. Right third one. Right third one, it is clear, right? Very much clear, right? Third one. Minus 10 plus 82. First you will solve these two. Yes. Yes. And now mute the microphone. You have to remember. Mute the microphone. Minus 10 plus 82. Yes, mute the microphone. What is sign of 10? Minus. What is sign of 10? Minus. And what is sign of 82? Plus. So minus and plus, they have opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract bigger number minus smaller number and take the sign of bigger number. So minus sign, plus sign, opposite sign, you have to subtract. So 82 minus 10 is 72. So which number is bigger? 82. What is sign of that? Plus. So you can write plus 72. So you can write plus 72. Then other we write as it is. Plus 72. Minus 10 plus 82 is plus 72. Then other number we write as it is, plus 94 plus minus 14. Other number we write as it is. Now next step, I will simplify these two. Plus 72 plus 94. What is sign of 72 plus? What is sign of 94 plus? So they have same sign. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add. So 72 plus 94, you have to add. 4 plus 2, 6. 166. So this is 166. We write plus 166. Plus 166. Then last number we write as it is, plus minus 14. Now again we simplify these two. What is sign of 166 plus? 166 plus. What is sign of 14 minus? So whenever they have opposite sign, plus minus, we subtract bigger number minus smaller number and take the sign of bigger number. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. 152. 152. Plus 152 is the answer. Plus 152 is the answer. Plus 152 is the, my dear, it is plus 166 plus minus 14. Yes, no problem, no problem. You can write plus, you can write plus 152 or 152 only. Yes. Yes. I am giving you the same problem. No problem, no problem. Now you also write down few problem of same type for practice. You also write same problem of same type for practice. Home only. You have to write down same problem for practice. Circle or. Yes. Now write down for practice. Practice questions. Practice questions. It is clear, right? Practice questions. Yes, right. Practice questions. First simplify. Yes, simplify. Homework. Practice questions, homework. Right? Minus 8 plus 6 minus 4 plus minus 12. Simplify. Then board is clear. Right? Number line. Using number line you have to solve. Using number line. Let me give you one more. Second, find the value of find the value of A mod of minus 15 plus mod of minus 6. Alright. B mod of minus 8 minus mod of minus 15. Yes. No, it is clear, right? C. Right. Mod of minus 7. Yes. Plus mod of minus 30. D. Mod of minus 9 plus mod of minus 12. Then practice questions homework. practice questions homework, and this you have to solve and send me. No, it is more problem. One more problem is there. One more problem is there. Now write third one. Third one. Solve the following. Solve the following. Solve the following. A minus 25 plus 40 plus 40 minus plus 37. B plus 22 minus 18 plus 52 yes. No, this you have to this you have to solve and send me on the WhatsApp. Minus 36. C, wait, minus 24 minus 36 plus 42. It is clear, right? Minus 32. D minus 26 plus 22 minus 26. Okay, take plus 26 minus 42 plus 38 plus minus 12. You have to solve this and send me on the WhatsApp. Then E minus 48 plus minus 32 plus 60. You have to solve this problem for practice test. So next period also solve the following means this you have to solve it. This problem you have to use the number line system, and this you have to use the rule of addition and subtraction. Minus 25 plus 40 minus plus 37. Yes. Minus 25 plus 40 minus plus 37. Yes, our lecture stop here only. Next period we'll also see the revision on these two chapters only. Bye. Which part?